Today is June 11th. We were supposed to get rain and then nothing. So here is simulated rain. My husband has these sprinkler things set up on both sides at the same time. And it's throwing it, I don't know if you can tell. So it's raining, as it were, on the top. And it's been going for a while, and I'm not seeing any leaks. Oh, and then here's the rafter. Hope this is helpful, because we hadn't had a chance to test it ourselves since we got it. I'm just walking around so that you can see. That's water. Everything's running off on the outside. I'm not seeing anything collecting. Probably should have zippered the window up first for this. Doesn't matter. After this test is done, the plan is to leave it still set up so that it completely dries out. You know, whenever you can. That's always the best, naturally. So the idea is to have it, let it completely dry out. And then once it's dry in a day or two, because it's been pretty hot, once it's dry in a day or two, the plan is to fold it up properly. When we got it, it was just kind of shoved into the box. So we're going to fold it up the way you're supposed to fold up a wall tent. I did go online this morning and I clicked on that. Link for a different brand on how to set up and take down a wall tent just like this one. And so I went back onto that and I snapped a photo of each stage. It occurs to me, like at Battlemore, there's not going to be internet there, as I'm told. So in that case, it would be nice to have printed out instructions. So I snapped a picture of each of the steps off of the computer screen, and I'll put that in the folder for you too, so that you got like a pictorial going through the steps for setting up and then breaking it down. The big thing that's really helpful is folding the wall tent up, nice and neat. You'll get a longer life with it if it's not like, you know, just shoved in the box. So okay, so the only place I'm seeing at all that's leaking is that one little 1/4 inch spot. It's got a little bit of a drip coming out of that. It's small enough that you could use this tent at Battlemore, and it's not like a, you know, just an occasional drip. But eventually, I would recommend. Okay, this here is just a stain. This here is that tiny 1/4 inch I was talking about. So I would recommend to patch on this one. I would just put a patch over the whole thing. Cosmetically, it'll look nicer on the outside, from the outside. But this is the only leak I'm finding, is that 1/4 inch hole. It looks like someone stuck a cigarette in the canvas. I know they probably didn't really do that, but that's what it looks like. And then up here, I can't tell if you can see or not, that's on the sidewall up by the eave, and that one is not leaking. It should be at some point patched as well. And then the last one was just on the outside, outside on the bottom here, which doesn't affect the inside at all. It's more of a cosmetic on the outside. On the photos and the video tour, I did a close-up of that. So as I also mentioned, I think it was in the video tour, I like having a tarp on the ground. It's just one more barrier between you and heavy rain. So I always put a tarp on the ground, and then my carpet on top of that. So even if you don't use a carpet or a canvas of some sort, I highly recommend a tarp on the bottom. It's just really nice for that extra water protection. Okay, and that's it. Hope this helps.